Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we're going to be in Port St Lucie, walking through a larger 3-car garage model that you can build on scattered lots, meaning you'll have no HOA fees, more space from your neighbor, and more freedom on what you can do with your home. So if this sounds like something you're looking for, reach out to me directly. I do a lot of work with this builder and been able to get clients of mine deals and incentives when you work with me, and they offer their own lots to build on, making the process a lot easier. So this home is going to give you 2,381 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms and a den that can be converted into either a 5th bedroom or a separate living room like you'll see in this model. You get 3 bathrooms, and although this is considered an open concept, it's not just one big box. You have clearly defined spaces for the dining room, living room, and a breakfast nook. You also have the option to turn the 1-car garage into a flex room if you want another office or bedroom. And if you're looking for something more move-in ready and don't want to wait a year to build, they do have some houses for sale in this area too. So if you want more information about those, or you're interested in building a home from scratch, you should reach out to me directly. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be able to help and work with you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. So I hope you enjoyed walking through this model with me, and let me know what you thought of this home in the comments below. If you're in a position where you're planning out your next move, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. I'll put my information up on the screen now, and you can give me a call or email me and be able to help you through the entire process.